Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hello and welcome to another episode of News from the World of MBA. In today's episode, I'll talk about IIM Raipur's latest admission policy as well as important exam notifications that have been released recently. Let's dive in. Raipur's latest selection criteria for admission to the PGP batch of 2023 has been released. Here are the key highlights from IIM Raipur's admission policy. IIM Raipur has set the minimum overall CAT 2020 percentile cutoff at the 94th percentile, while the minimum sectional cutoffs have been set at the 80th percentile for the general category. IIM Raipur will shortlist candidates for the writing ability test and personal interview round based on their CAT 2020 performance only. IIM Raipur will create the final composite score for shortlisting candidates by giving 35% weight to a candidate's CAT 2020 score, 30% weight to a candidate's profile, 25% weight to a candidate's personal interview performance, and 10% weight to a candidate's WAT performance. While creating the final composite score, IIM Raipur will assign 8% weight to gender diversity and 4% weight to academic diversity of the applicant. IIM Raipur, which is assigned 8% weight to a candidate's work experience, will give no marks for that component to candidates with less than 6 months or greater than 49 months of work experience. The maximum marks will be awarded to those with 25 to 36 months of work experience. You can read the complete IIM Raipur admission policy on the institute's official website. I also recommend to you our KYC episode on IIM Raipur, where we talk in detail about programs offered, campus life, summer and final placements, and fees at IIM Raipur, and much more. The link will be in the description. The official MyCAT notification has been released. The MyCAT exam is an important component of admission to MICA's PGDM-C and PGDM programs and has a 30% weight in the institute's admissions process. The exam can be attempted twice by candidates, and the better of the two MyCAT scores is considered for evaluation. The following are the important highlights from the MyCAT notification. Registrations for MyCAT 1 have opened on 20th October 2020 and will close on the 25th of November 2020. MyCAT 1 will be conducted on December 5th, 2020. Registrations for MyCAT 2 will open on the 26th of November and will close on the 20th of January in 2021. The exam will be conducted on the 30th of January in 2021. MICA's GEPI shortlist will come out on the 19th of February in 2021 and the interview process will begin on the 9th of March. You can find out more information related to MICA's admissions process on the institute's official website. I also recommend that you check out all the key deadlines and important dates related to CAT and non-CAT exams on Inside IIM. The link will be available in the description. Reliance Industries is restoring salary cuts that it implemented amid the coronavirus lockdown in 2020 retrospectively. In a mail sent to 3.5 lakh direct employees in the group's many businesses, the company said that it was reversing the salary cut for employees. The company is also giving out a retrospective performance bonus that had been deferred due to the COVID-19 lockdown. This news comes after several top technology companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL and Mindtree have announced plans to roll out new increments and bonuses during the festive season. The number of foreign students entering America's top business schools is down sharply amid the COVID-19 pandemic and tight visa rules, even as overall enrollments and applications are actually up. International students in the entering class of the top 20 US MBA programs, as ranked by Bloomberg Businessweek, declined 14% from last year. Even before the pandemic, foreign applications were down for the third year in a row, according to a 2019 report by GMAC, which cited stricter immigration policies in the US. That's all for today. I'll see you very soon with more headlines from the world of MBA and business.
Hi guys, Inside IM has come up with an exciting new one-on-one mentorship product where you get to interact with superstar managers from different businesses, different functions. You can ask them everything around your career, your education, your future success. If you are interested, the link is in the description below. Thanks.